Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make waffles crispy in your waffle maker. Achieving that perfect crunch starts with your ingredients. Using whole milk or buttermilk adds richness and helps with browning. A secret ingredient for extra crispness is a small amount of cornstarch or rice flour in your batter. Also, always check that your baking powder and baking soda are fresh for optimal lift and texture. Once you have your ingredients, proper batter preparation is crucial. Mix your wet and dry ingredients just until combined. Overmixing develops too much gluten, leading to tough waffles. A few small lumps are actually a good sign. After mixing, let your batter rest for at least 10 to 15 minutes. This resting period allows the flour to fully hydrate, resulting in a more tender interior and a crispier exterior. Now, let's talk about your waffle maker. Always preheat it thoroughly to its highest setting. A hot iron is essential for crispness. Lightly brush or spray the grids with a neutral oil before pouring in your batter. This prevents sticking and promotes even browning. Resist the urge to open the waffle maker too early. Wait until the steam significantly reduces or stops, indicating your waffle is fully cooked and crispy. After your waffles are perfectly golden and crispy, how you handle them next is key. Immediately transfer each cooked waffle to a wire rack. This allows air to circulate around them, preventing steam from building up and making them soggy. Never stack hot waffles directly on top of each other. For the absolute best crispy experience, serve your delicious waffles promptly with your favorite toppings.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.